bueno cup of joe. Oh, that was 50 pounds. Pardon my English. Well, hello all my fishy friends, and welcome back to another Patagonia style Stay Fishy Adventure. It's obvious what we're fishing for now. Giant Chinook salmon. The rain is falling. It's a calm, beautiful morning. The birds are singing, and we're trying to catch one of the biggest fish in the world right here in front of us, and they're there. And we know this because they're jumping and flipping us to fin every 3 seconds. Let's see if we can catch one. Well, no bites in the salmon hole today, but that's okay because we got a lot more adventure and we have an incredible dinner planned for today. It's going to take a lot of prep and a long time to cook. Plus, we have another adventure planned, so let's get out of here. Let's go do it. What's in the bag? So, Franco has invited us up to his family's property to do one of the most authentic styles of cooking here in Chile. We're about to show you what's in here. We got some cleaning, some prep, and some drinking to do. And then we have another adventure planned for the afternoon. So this is gonna be great. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
Salud. So one thing is for certain here in Chile, the food's good and the beer's really good. And the fishing's off the charts. Oh, you're tiny and poor. Sure am missing Little right about now. But this is Little's new best friend. This is Little's new best friend. It's the nicest belly in Patagonia. Yeah. Yeah. It's a nice belly you got there. That's right, everybody.
Come on.
We're cooking an entire sheep, Patagonia style, over the fire. This is the highlight of my trip right now. You know it's Australian Shepherd? Oh, yeah. Fresh meat. So what he's doing is he's opening, almost butterflying this entire lamb open. He's going to have it posted up on, traditionally on the stake that they have here, and then he'll run rods through each piece so it stays open and it cooks evenly throughout the whole sheep. So what he's doing here is he's opening up those hams on the back side of those back quarters so that it cooks a lot faster here, or else this would take hours and hours and hours. It's going to take probably 5 or 6 hours to cook anyways, but he's opening up these flanks so that that heat can get towards the meat and cook it just a little bit faster. You're happy, aren't you? Yeah, dog party. Dog cat party, cat dog party. Franco's spreading sal de mar, translation sea salt, all over this thing. Is going to go front and back, and I'm going to imagine they're probably going to put a little more seasoning on it as this goes along.
¿No has visto jabalí, tío?
El otro día vino uno por la calle, por ahí.
Me cago,
¿Por la pura calle? Sí.
Slap your meat. Beat your meat.
Ay, Jordi.
Flip. So what he's doing here is moving the hindquarters closer to the flame, start cooking that lower end. And I would imagine towards the end of the cook, when the innards start to get cooked and that rib cage starts to disperse all that meat, we'll flip it over and cook the backside. Yeah. Tender, juicy, fatty.
That's funny.
An absolute treat. Doesn't get any better than this, everyone. The drink of choice with the meat today is a homemade wine bag of sorts, made out of leather. Franco says by putting it in there and then of course squeezing it out of the tip opens the essences of the flowers of the wine. I couldn't agree more.
Three eyes, the rule.
Is it?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Okay. I can't put more than 3 cubes of ice in my piscola. Rules of engagement by Franco. So pisco, everybody, is the drink of the nation down here. It's a grape liquor. Very, very tasty. Put it with either Coca-Cola or Sprite or anything like that. It's a very nice flavor, some essence. Again, goes perfect with the sheep. Oh, fresh off the fryer. Unreal. So once again, we got too big for our boots. We didn't wash Franco. Here's how you do it. Got a nice fresh piece of meat.
Got
Do a little bit of the onion tomato mix.
cousin. See any fish today? No.
A little bit of avocados. Another tomato. And some of the homemade salsa. Mmm. Frickin' believable. One of the finest cuisines yet on Stay Fishy. Thank you so much to Franco's family for hosting us. If you're watching this, to familia. Muchas gracias.
Sells spring.
All right, the feast is over. The buzz is on. It's time for the next adventure. That's right, everybody. Doing a little horseback riding to our next adventure.
The roll.
Well, here we are, horseback in Patagonia, everybody. And check out the view. This is my boy here, Buckskin. We are off on an adventure. You know, at times it's amazing to me, the culture and the family and the friends that food, fishing, and just living the similar lifestyle brings to you, no matter where you are in the world, no matter what kind of language that you speak or what kind of language barrier you have with people. You can find those people in the world that are family. And again, thank you so much to Franco's family for inviting us into their home, onto their property, and ultimately onto their horses for an incredible experience. This has been a trip that I will not soon forget. This has been one of the most fun times I've ever had in my life. We've filmed a lot of addictive videos, a lot of Stay Fishy videos on this trip, and I think this is a place I'm going to be spending a lot of time in my life. I want to see your guys' comments below on what you think of these adventures and what you want to see more of. Today is still not over. We have some fishing to do and some living to do. So thank you all so much for following along on this journey. This is pretty cool. Oh no, oh no. The dogs are working the cows. The horse knows what's going on. He wants to go. Should we let him go? Oh, 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 oh. There they are. We found him. We found him. Circle back around. Let the dogs bring these cows around. Bring them around. Bring them around. Get the carne. ¿Dónde carne? Good old-fashioned rancher out here. Bueno, pero. For those of you who have never worked cows in the outbacks of Patagonia, this is what it looks like. Pretty awesome. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boys. Good boys, everybody. Got my whole pack here. Sure, I'm missing Little Dog right now. Little, if you're watching this, I love you and I miss you. Soon we'll be in Patagonia together.
¿Y el esfero? No, ahí el esfero. Espera.
Not the intended species, but it's a fish no less to cap off an awesome day. What a beautiful rainbow trout. The eyes were bigger than his stomach in this case. Incredible. I don't know, about 12, 13 inches. In all its glory. Look at these beautiful spots down the side. Incredible scale pattern on the back. Tiny little adipose fin. See you later, buddy. Franco sees a salmon. You guys, let's go grab him.
When you set the hook, the fish, you know, the rainbow trout, 2 king salmon comes out.
On the tail out?
Yeah.
You kidding me? So as soon as I released that fish, you guys, me hooking that thing and the fish kicking around and making all the commotion scared 2 giant king salmon up into the run. So the little guy protected the big guys today. Okay, so these fish ran up. I'm guessing they're going to take some cover underneath the fast water of this waterfall ahead of us. Let's go up there. That one was fresh. There's a mix in this creek here. We've gone to a different river entirely now, a tributary, the one we started on, and so we're getting fresh fish and old fish that have been in the system for a long time. We had our opportunity downriver where that trout chased us and actually hit the spinner before the salmon itself could. But now we're in the super pool, and there's obviously fish. Well, all my fishy friends, what an incredible adventure this has been, and an awesome experience here in Chile. I'm so glad you guys got to stick around and hang out and enjoy some of the camaraderie, some of the welcoming nature of these people, and some of the amazing beauty that this place has to offer. This is sadly our last episode from Chile, so be on the lookout. Next year, we're coming back. We're going to be here a lot longer, and we're going to be doing a lot more videos. So let's see your ideas below, and please, let's see those thumbs ups down here and get this video out there so the world can see it. Until next week, everybody, same time, same place. You all stay fishy. We'll see you out there.